Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, from the question given that a recent study of the hourly wages of maintenance crew members for major airlines showed that the mean hourly salary will be mean is mu is equal to 20.50 RM and the standard deviation will be sigma is equal to RM 3.50. So assume that the distribution of hourly wages follows the normal probability distribution. So in the first part we need to select a crew member at random, evaluate the probability that crew member earn more than RM 24 per hour. So probability of X is greater than 24. And we know that the tester statistic will be z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. So probability of x minus mu divided by sigma is greater than 24 minus mu is 20.50 divided by sigma is 3.50. So that could be equal to probability of z is greater than, when we simplify this we obtain 1. By using the standard normal distribution table we obtain 0.1537. Now let us move on to the second part. So the second part, if we select the crew member at random, evaluate the probability that the crew member earns less than RM 24 per hour. So probability of X is less than 24. So that is equal to probability of Z is less than 1 by using the standard normal distribution table. So we obtain 0.8413. Now let us move on to part 3. If the crew members earns between 18 RM to 24 RM, so less than 18 less than X less than 24. So that is equal to probability of, by using the same procedure we obtain 18 minus 20.50 divided by 3.5 is less than Z is less than 24 minus 20.50 divided by 3.5. So that is equal to probability of minus 0.71 is less than Z less than 1. By using the standard normal distribution table we obtain 0.6024. I hope you found the answer useful. Thank you.